and understand what is going on. And if someone mentions a brand or a product is featured in the video, it's really impossible manually to dig through all this data. And so that's really the problem that Vyrill is trying to address is, how do you make sense of all this massive amounts of video content that people are posting on social media and creating on their phones? And then how do you really understand and leverage all this data for product marketing? So I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to share a couple of slides. And so let's do that. Here we go. Tasha, can you see my slides? Everyone can?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. So the word viral is really a play on the word, videos go viral. So I always get asked, where did the company name come from? And so it's hard to get the right domain name. So this is as close as we came to the word virality and viral. So we are a video insights and commerce platform. So essentially what Vyrill does is we help brand marketers understand what people are posting about their product and brand on social media. So essentially we help discover content. We then analyze the content for insights and then offer tools for licensing and content marketing. So we have just one goal, is really to help brand marketers increase revenue and find new customers by leveraging authentic video content, such as reviews, unboxing videos, how-to videos, fan reactions, and more for product marketing. So at a very high level, we are building a Google for fan video. And we're also one of the very few companies in the world that can Google inside the video as well to enable commerce. And I'm going to tell you more on what it means to Google inside the video as well on the next couple of slides. So the trends that we're seeing right now in the marketplace are during COVID, video consumption and creation has really increased 600%. And this is already increasing even pre-COVID as well. And so a lot of customers are now watching and consuming and creating videos. And 85% of them say that video actually helps them with their purchase decision because they can see the product, the person, and the emotions inside the video. And so UGC content gets 10 times more views than brand generated content across the board. Video also cuts down on review fraud because you can actually see the person holding the product and more, or speaking to the product. So it has much more impact review-wise compared to text. And it also enables a touch-free shopping experience as well, which during COVID, we believe it will be another couple of months until end of the year when customers still are shopping more from home versus walking into a store to physically touch a product. So video actually offers that with different kinds of videos, such as review and unboxing videos and how-to videos and more. You can virtually see the product in multiple dimensions. So how do you really bridge this gap, with massive amounts of consumption and creation and customers wanting to see more video content and brand marketers wanting to influence that shopping journey with video is really what we focus on here at Vyrill. So there's three things we do. There's three use cases that we primarily focus on here at Vyrill. So the first is market insights. So we're able to capture and index and analyze all the brand video content by both the branded content and the fan-generated content as well. We're able to match millions of videos to your entire product catalog. So we're able to help you index and analyze all your video content by product, category, brand, competitor, and keyword or hashtag. So you can actually compare how your video engagement is happening between products and categories. And you can also track your competitors as well. So not only can you track data for your brand, but you can also track all the insights for your competitors as well. So the first thing we do is we capture, index, rate, and analyze all the data and offer insights on the dashboard. And I'm going to show you some of this today as well when I give a product tour. The second thing we do is we help brands find the top 10 reviews or the top 10 unboxing videos. We rate and rank all the content. And so brands can then license content as well to the platform. And the way we offer licensing is once the video is captured, we also capture the email address of the content creator. So it's possible for brand marketers to run a content licensing campaign to the platform and either capture an existing video and license an existing video or existing set of videos at scale, or you can run a campaign as well to capture reviews or unboxing videos and more from your customers. And then the third thing we offer is tools to help you increase brand awareness. So we offer, for example, video contests where you can actually run a contest during holidays for customers to upload perhaps their new shopping spree with your brand and share that on social media. So and hashtag it with a unique hashtag. So we're actually able to capture all the video content that customers have shared on social media and during the contest and measure all the KPIs and engagement around that, and then help you leverage and license that content more for product marketing. Or you can also do product shout outs as well. So you can essentially find influencers. Let's say you're launching a new product. I'm making this up, but let's say you're launching a new product in hair care. With Vyrill, you can actually go on the platform and find everyone, for example, on YouTube, who's talking about hair care. And you can then leverage those influencers for your product shout out campaign. So you can engage them to do a product shout out for your new product launch the next time they make a video on YouTube. So we can run the campaign, we can track the campaign, the product shout out campaign, and we can actually measure the KPIs and the engagement KPIs and the ROI for you on that as well. So many ways of leveraging video content through the Vyrill platform. So how do we do all this? So I'm going to go a little bit deeper now on what exactly the platform does. So we capture videos from multiple sources. So today we're capturing videos from YouTube and Dropbox. And the reason we started with YouTube was YouTube has more content than relevant content for brand marketers than Instagram and TikTok combined. And when I say video content, we're focusing on reviews, unboxing videos, how-to videos. A lot of this content tends to be long format. It tends to be more than 30 seconds long. So we're actually able to capture all that content, rank and analyze all the content. So as you can see here, we source videos from multiple sources, or we can also capture videos directly from the customer via their desktop or mobile. We match videos to brands, product categories, and keywords. We then, with machine learning and AI, once the video is matched, we analyze the video in 8 dimensions. And then we rank the video, the top videos. So if we were analyzing 12,000 videos, we would rank all the 12,000 videos by brand reputation, brand safety, and more. So essentially, we're also giving brand marketers a tool to rank the content as well. So sometimes demographic might be very important for you for your campaign. And at other times, brand safety might be very important as well. So we give you about 30 different filters to rank and rate all the content as well. So we rank all the videos, we rank all the creators as well. So if there are 12,000 influencers who made 12,000 videos, we build the profile of every single creator and we'll try our best to capture their social media profile and email as well, so you can run campaigns. So essentially the dashboard does 3 things. We offer insights on both your videos and your fan videos and your competitive videos as well. And we offer insights primarily in 5 different areas: demographic, topic, sentiment, scene, engagement, and influencers and keywords. We also help you license content as well. And then you can also run marketing campaigns to the dashboard as well. So I mentioned before that we're one of the very few companies where you can actually Google inside the video. So this is really what we do. Once the video is matched to the product, brand, or category, we then go inside the video and we analyze the video in these 8 dimensions. So we analyze everyone inside the video by demographic, by age, ethnicity, and gender. So we're actually able to show you everyone who's made the video. So for example, if you're targeting a particular demographic and you're seeing most of the creator content from a different demographic, then perhaps that's an insight for you that you either need to create content from your target demographic or repurpose your marketing dollars towards a different demographic that's leveraging your product. So many ways of thinking through this data. We look at diversity, so race, language, country, brand safety. So I know this is very important for many brand marketeers. So we do both natural language processing and computer vision analysis to look at nudity, profanity, violence, blood, and minors in the video. So we actually tag the videos as brand safety concerns. Subject matter, are they talking about cars? Are they always talking about beauty? Are they an expert in beauty? Look at engagement, views, likes, comments, shares, sentiment analysis. So we actually analyze the audio sentiment on how the creators and your fans are talking about your product and brand. So we can do the sentiment analysis both for, we can give you keywords and phrases and sentences, both positive and negative. Scene analysis, indoor, outdoor. So depending on your product, perhaps if it's a sunscreen, you might be interested in leveraging licensing content or promoting content that's outdoor in the sun on the beach. So we actually track 600 scenes and landmarks. And then we also analyze the video for whether it's an unboxing video or tutorial or how-to and more. So what we have done is we have trained the machines to identify 50 different topics by vertical. And so with Vyrill, if you're looking, let's say you're looking for a BMW, you're buying a car, and you're looking for a review of BMW 3i with a person that looks like you, who's 25 years old, male or female, and you're particularly interested in a car with yellow leather seats, a review with yellow leather seats, and car acceleration is important for you. If you are searching for this video to feature in your campaign, and if there is a video, Vyrill will find it for you, and we will also take you inside the video where these features are being discussed. And that's really the problem we have solved. And this is really the key to video commerce is, as brand marketeers, you don't have a lot of time to dig through massive amounts of videos. So we have solved the problem of how do you find the needle in the haystack for brand marketeers. And for customers, if there are 20 videos on a product page, we can help them search through video content and get to what the answers that they're looking for to make their informed purchase decisions. Because no one has the time, if the videos are long or even there are multiple videos, customers don't have the time to watch a video if it's more than 30 seconds long. So how do you really get to inside the video is really what we have focused on for the past couple of years. And so we offer some of the best in-video search technology for video commerce. So in terms of ROI, we're able to capture 95% of your fan videos and 95% faster. So for example, recently for one of our customers in the CPG space, we analyzed 12,000 videos for them, and we were able to capture and analyze that content in about 12 working days on our platform. It would have taken them about 4.5 months to manually find the videos, analyze the videos, and rate all the content manually. So we were able to do this in less than 2 weeks. We also help brands increase brand awareness, so you can increase with product shout-out campaigns and video contests and more. We have seen brands increasing their impressions and their click-through rates from the video to the product page, anywhere from 10 to 38%. And then also, if you put videos up on your page, both branded and UGC content, so UGC content really will increase page engagement by 5x, and it will increase conversions as well and reduce cart abandonment once you put videos up on the product page. It really works. Videos really work. So these are some of the customers we work in. We focus on a number of different verticals: beauty, fashion, electronics, home improvement, DIY, and more. So we're continuing every quarter, we're adding new verticals on our platform. So I'm going to just quickly walk through. I'm going to switch now to the demo, and then I'll come back to the case studies and I'll share with you. So once you see the demo, how we do it, you can then relate to the case studies as well. So I'm going to now switch to the product demo. So Tasha, you're still with me and you can hear me okay and everything? Just checking in that you can see the demo screen.
Everything's looking good. Yep.
Perfect. Thank you. So everyone, I'm showing you a dashboard for Lancome. This is actually it's a L'Oreal beauty brand. And I'm showing you real data. So as a brand marketeer, you can set up the dashboard for your products or your competitor products. So for example, in this, you can see a quick summary of the dashboard here for Lancome. So we have set up 5 products and hashtags here for the Lancome brand. And Lancome was also interested in tracking a couple of other brands as well. So they were tracking Estee Lauder videos and fan videos as well. So you can set up your dashboard both to capture your videos versus your competitive videos. And so on the homepage, you'll see where, so we scan the web for twice a day for new video content, because we found that's a decent frequency with which people post videos. So you can see the most recent videos that were posted on for your brand or for your competitor brand. And we also send you email alerts as well. So every morning as a marketer, you can get a quick summary of all your new videos and your trending videos that were trending the day before. And we look at trending by looking at changes in likes, views, comments, and shares every day. And if it meets a certain threshold or goes beyond a certain threshold, we then generate an email alert in your inbox. So the purpose there is so you as a brand marketer will never miss out on great content or trending videos, so you can take immediate actions on that content. And then you'll also see here a quick summary of everyone who's made the videos. So we've actually analyzed all the people inside the video. So at a quick glance, you can see who's made the videos and see if this ties to your target demographic as well. Now, what makes Vyrill very special is also that, yes, it's easy to find celebrity influencers or celebrities who have made videos. It's actually very hard to find the next 400 fans who talk about your product and brand, and to find them and their videos by product. And that's really one of the key problems we have solved is, how do you, as a brand, how do you find the long tail? So, we believe that celebrities are great, or macro influencers are great at brand awareness, but it's really the last mile, the conversion. And the conversion happens because it's someone who looks like you has recommended the product. And that's more likely to drive your conversion and your buy than a celebrity influencer. So Vyrill actually helps you find the long tail of creators and influencers and fans that are speaking about your product and brand. So quickly going to the product page, just to show you the setup, you can actually set up the dashboard by a hashtag, product name, or category name or competitor. So here we're tracking 5 products for Lancome and a couple of competitor products as well. So you can track both your products versus your competitor products. And again, in this case, we're tracking Estee Lauder as a competitor and some of their products. Then you can go deep into video. So I'm now going to show you ranking and rating of video content with Vyrill. So you can see here, we can sort all the video content. So as a brand marketer, you can sort by engagement or by sentiment. So you can say, show me all the videos with very high positive sentiment. And you'll notice all the filters here. So we have about 25 different kinds of filters to rank and rate videos. And so you can say, let's say you're interested in rating all your reviews and you're interested in licensing reviews. So you can actually sort. You'll notice for beauty, we have actually, we're tracking 50 different topics. So I can say, show me all the reviews. And then you can sort by people in the video. So we have analyzed everyone in the video. So you can say, show me everyone, because I'm targeting Gen Zs and millennials. So show me everyone 13 to 18 and 18 to 24. And you'll notice the videos actually get sorted here. And I'm interested in everyone. So we also are able to, we analyze the videos of the creators. We look at some of their past videos as well. And we can predict whether they are brand expert, fan, or press. So for example, an expert is someone who's always talking about beauty. So it's a quick way for brand marketeers to find types of influencers. So you can actually search, you can sort through the demographic as well. And here we go. And influencer types, so let me actually sort by expert. And you can also sort by certain products. So you can select products as well. So you can go very hyper into the content. So if I open a video, I'll show you a quick so you'll see on the right all the viral analytics. We have matched the product, the sentiment analysis, the topic, scene, demographic. You can also track all the YouTube metrics as well. And so you can see sentiment analysis. I can actually play the video as well. We can take you directly inside the video.
Free shipping on purchases over 250 ringgit.
So we can actually go inside the video as well. You can actually see the people in the videos for each of the video, the transcript. And then we have also, in this case, she used the word crap. So we were able to capture the brand safety as well. So we are able to tag all the brand safety issues as well. And then we do both foul and visual content as well. So we can analyze both with computer vision and natural language processing, both the audio and the images in the video as well. And you can also search. So let's say you're looking for a particular mention of a particular keyword, or perhaps you're interested in looking at whether your SEO keywords are being mentioned or referenced by video creators to optimize your SEO and your organic search. You can, so for example, I can also search now the word lips, and you can actually search inside. So you'll notice it's pulled up all the videos now within the reviews that are mentioning the word lips. So very deep, we can do very deep rating and ranking of content and search inside videos. We also then generate all the profiles of creators as well. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can find creators and run a marketing campaign. So let's say you're interested in doing a survey with all the fans who have made videos for your brand. You're interested in capturing some feedback, or perhaps you want to run a campaign to capture more reviews. So here on the influencer page, you can actually sort creators in a number of different ways. So you can say, show me everyone with the most number of subscribers, show me everyone with an email address, and you're interested in everyone who are 18 to 24 and 25 to 30, because you'll notice it's actually sorting all the influencers, and you're interested in finding everyone in the United States. So you can actually now do a campaign. So you can reach out to these influencers through the platform. So I'm building a campaign now. So let's say, and then just for demo reasons, let's say we're doing a survey. And you can, let's say you're doing a survey for a particular product. You can now essentially run an email campaign to the platform. And you can customize your own reply to whether you want the response to come back to your viral dashboard, or you want it to come back to you and your, so you can run campaigns to this platform as well. You can reach out to creators at scale through the viral platform as well. And then finally, just really quick, we also have a search. So we are tracking over 250,000 video creators in different verticals. You can also search all the creators. You can search by country, age, demographic, or you can actually search creators by videos. And now we also run reports as well. So I'm going to show you a couple of samples of the kind of insights that we provide brand marketers. So these are just some sample reports. I'm going to quickly, for this customer, we were tracking all the data pre-COVID and during COVID. So they were interested in analyzing all their fan videos in 26 different cheese categories. So here's a quick overview report at a glance. So you can see all the top creators who have made videos pre-COVID and during COVID. This was, by the way, the time period we analyzed was 1st of January through 15th of March for pre-COVID, and then 15th of March through 31st of July, 2020. We analyzed all the brand was interested in understanding what type of videos are trending during pre-COVID, during COVID. So here you'll notice we actually analyzed with AI all the topics for the videos, the type of videos, and then we looked at, what what topics were trending. So you'll see some of these trending topics, diet and nutrition. And then we analyzed, this is sort of the number of videos that were published during that time period. And then of course, we measure engagement as well. So engagement is a sum of likes, views, comments, shares, and all that. So you'll notice from pre-COVID to post-COVID, engagement went up by 5x, not a surprise. People were making a lot of food recipe videos and sharing a lot of recipes early on during COVID with their friends and on social media. And then of course, we have analyzed all the target demographic as well who have made these videos. So this is an overview report. We can go deeper into by category. So again, like I mentioned, for this customer, they were interested in tracking pre-COVID, during COVID. Again, we can slice and dice the data in a number of ways. So we usually offer 5 standard reports. As I mentioned before, topic, engagement, sentiment, demographic, keyword. So you can essentially, also we can break this down by, in this case, the customer wanted all the data broken down by categories. So you'll actually notice we broke this down at category level. Again, this can be product, hashtag, whatever. Demographic report, very high level, and then we've broken it down by product as well. And then finally, again, lots of reports. I'm just showing you some sample data. And this is the influencer report where the brand wanted to track pre-COVID and during COVID influencers and creators on here. So we showed them everyone who's made the video. There were some surprising discoveries for brands. So for example, one of the big discovery was, it was surprising to see America's Got Talent mentioned for cheese category. And what happened was Heidi Klum, one of the hosts, she actually has made a lot of videos talking about cheese on UGC contents, and she has featured that in her in the America's Got Talent video as well. So again, interesting discoveries of analyzing influencers as well, and how they engage with their audiences and more. So this is just sample data. And then finally, just want to leave you with one last thing is we also do licensing as well. So you can license content to the platform. So let me just quickly show you the licensing feature as well, and then I'll wrap up the demo, and I'll quickly jump back to the just to quickly show you. So once the video is discovered, you can invite the creator to license content with an email campaign. And once they are, so there's also a login for creators as well to license videos. And they can essentially license content here. So once so let's say you're interested in licensing this particular video from the creator. Once they're signed up, you'll actually see the licensing option turns on for the video. And if I click on licensing, it actually opens up the licensing chat. So you can now license a video with the creator. So you can essentially, based on whether your budget, or sometimes the creator will also price the video as well. So you can license the video through the platform. So one of the key things we have solved is, how can you license a YouTube video and quickly pull that video on your product page? So that's really the gap that we're solving. And also you can do this at scale. You don't need attorneys. We have a standard licensing agreement that we have built, a global licensing agreement for creators. So with one click, you can license content to the platform. You can also chat. Let's say if the video, the creator had priced the video for $50, you can, and your budget is $25. You can also, if you choose to, you can negotiate that licensing as well, or you can just run just one licensing campaign with just one price point. So many ways to think about licensing. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick preview of this. So with that, I'm going to just switch back to the I'm going to just share with you two case studies of two customers. So first is really the CPG brand. This is the CPG brand. In this case, the brand was interested in tracking all the fan videos for 65 of their product SKUs. So we analyzed about 10,000 videos. So we analyzed about 2 years worth of video for these 65 SKUs with 10,000 videos. And in this particular case, the brand was interested in identifying all the keywords on how the customer was talking about their product. So I'll just quickly show you that report. So here we actually did the audio analysis, and we generated all the keywords from the audio analysis. And the brand wanted to use this information in three ways. One is they wanted to compare how this compares with the SEO list, because this is how the creator is talking about their product and brand. This is how probably they're searching as well on YouTube and Google for their product and brand. So this can give you ideas and some new keywords for SEO. With this analysis, the brand they found some new correlationships between diets, ingredients, and products and demographic. And they're using this data for some new product development. And then finally, they also wanted to understand engagement as well. So going back to the use case, they were interested in understanding engagement by demographic, by age, ethnicity, and gender. And so what they discovered through this analysis was they were missing out on Hispanic and Asian populations with their fan videos. And it's interesting because those are two of the largest growing populations in US. So as a brand, that's actually a big insight that perhaps you need to create more content featuring those other populations as well, or perhaps you need to develop new products for those populations as well. So again, ways to think about how you can leverage all this video insights for analysis and your content development, or perhaps even optimizing your marketing dollars as well. Perhaps you're targeting a particular demographic and you saw videos from another demographic. So in this case, we really helped the brand develop new content for new populations. And we also helped them with their SEO as well. So they really optimized their SEO keyword list, and we improved their organic search as well on Google. This is another case study where an electronics brand came to us and they said, hey, we are launching a new product. And so we're interested in influencers who talk about laptop and security, promoting our new product, helping us with our product launch on YouTube. So they came to us, through the Vyrill platform, they were able to, this company has a USB product where it's a little USB fab that you can insert in your laptop and you can store all your passwords. So essentially, they discovered influencers through Vyrill who talk about laptop and security, and they invited these influencers to run a product shout out for them. So, and the campaign was very straightforward. Do the product shout out. We'll give you $10 for the shout out. And you have to mention they're given an asset, a product and a URL to promote in their next video. And then they also had a call to action, which was they connected the video to the product page for this new product launch, and they give a promo code. And so they ran the campaign. They had a very clear outcome. They saw a 5x increase in impressions, about 13% click-throughs from the video to the product page. And they also did a promo code for shopping and so for purchases. And so they've also had conversion as well through the campaign. So anyway, there's more case studies, but in the interest of time, I'm going to now jump to the Q&A. But hopefully this gives you a quick overview of what Vyrill does and many ways of how you can leverage video content for commerce and more. So with this, I'm going to switch back to the Q&A mode, and let's take some comments and questions. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. This is Tasha again. Hello. So right now, there was a question that was just entered a little earlier while you were speaking from David Dyer regarding how well does it distinguish sarcasm with the sentiment analysis? Yeah,
so honestly, it's hard. We don't do sarcasm yet. What we are able to do is we're able to do the sentiment of the overall video, and we're able to do the sentiment for your product. So we can identify how people are referencing your product or generally the video, because the video, there might be sentiment inside the video, around your product, or perhaps they're talking about the location where they made the video or something else. So we can do that. Sarcasm is still hard. We're not there yet to capture sarcasm, but that's something that definitely next on our roadmap, because sarcasm is it's tied to your facial expression as well, along with what you said inside the video. But that's something that in future we have on your roadmap. So how do you evaluate the emotion, the facial expression, and then match that with what you said to then identify emotions like sarcasm? That's a hard one. But
our new contextualizing of the words is also helpful for understanding the sarcasm, correct?
Yeah. So, what Tasha is referring to is, when I search for the word lips, you're actually able to see the context. We can show you the context in which something was mentioned or referenced in the transcript or the audio. So you can actually refer back to the video as well.
Any other questions? Can you just talk a little bit about all the different ways that you can search and sort through the videos or the creators? There's quite a bit of different angles you can search.
Yeah, so as I mentioned before, we offer we offer search on YouTube engagement metrics. We offer search on the Viril analyzed data as well. So, and then we offer search on a mix of both, right? So there's certain things that are unique to videos, such as sentiment. So you can actually search all the videos by sentiment, topic, scene, demographic, diversity, and all of that. So those 8 dimensions that I mentioned with AI. And then you add that to the YouTube engagement metrics as well. So you can also sort by likes, a combination of likes, views, comments, and shares by demographic or by sentiment. So that's on the video front. On the influencer front, you can track influencers by location, by their engagement, by the number of their followers. So essentially their audience, audience metrics as well. And in addition to that, you can search by the type of content that they're creating. So for example, you're looking for influencers in United States who belong to a certain demographic, and they're talking about certain type of videos, reviews, or who make a certain type of products or categories. So really, we're offering you multiple ways on both the video and the creator, both leveraging both the social media content engagement metrics along with the YouTube with the Viril filters as well.
There's a question: can you find videos by language and country?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are able to do both language as well. So we can help you find videos in a particular geography. We can't do zip code yet because that's hard. And some of this actually has to do with social media platforms. They don't share the zip code level data with us. And in many cases, for example, in the past, a long time ago, YouTube wasn't even capturing the location or the zip code until they introduced the mobile app. Because with mobile app, they started tracking the GPS and the IP and more. So again, some videos do have that information, some don't. And in other cases, we try to deduce the location of the video from the language as well. So there are multiple ways on how we look for the language, and we do language identification. So today we're identifying languages, 89 different languages, and around videos. We're currently processing English videos, but we're also planning to add 4 new languages this year as well, based on our customers and what they're asking for. So some of those languages are French, Spanish, German, and some other Indian languages as well. So yeah.
You mean so that when there's the transcript, it'll be in those other 4 languages. And right now we only do the English.
Correct. So essentially, today when we analyze a video, there's 2 components to it. There's the language component to it. So when we identify a language, so today we identify the language, but we only process sentiment and topic for English language. We need to build that for other languages as well. And that's what I was referring to, is that we don't have that for other languages yet, But when it comes to computer vision, the scene analysis and identifying nudity or identifying demographic, that is independent of the language, because there, it doesn't matter what the video is. We can still identify everything that's happening in your background and the person independent of the language. So yeah.
So there's a question, and it's something that has always fascinated me about the analyzing inside of the video. That's something pretty special. How do you analyze inside the video? Someone's asking. The audio, image, and text at the same time is the question.
Yeah. So essentially, yes. So to answer your question, yes, we do analyze all the three dimensions of the video: the audio track, the text track. So we analyze all the metadata around the video, title, description. So for example, with YouTube, we get title, description, and we get 20 other kinds of metadata that comes with the YouTube video. So that's the first thing we do. We analyze that. We then analyze the audio track of the video as well. So we analyze for any video, what people are saying inside the video. So we break it down into noise, speech, music, and silence. So we analyze the speech part for sentiment and topics and all that. And then finally, we're also analyzing all the images as well, the moving images. So essentially, a video is a set of images, and we analyze the images with computer vision for the rest, scene analysis and people and everything. So that's how in totality we analyze. So again, we're one of the very few companies. The entire stack is in-house, so we own our own IP for this. We don't really use any third-party APIs, so we can continue to optimize the algorithms for speed and cost. And we're continuing to build on that.
So I'm going to thank everyone for all of their questions. We have another one. How easy is the system to use for a first-time person? And is there a chance that an onboarding process could be off-putting to a new client?
Yeah, so great question, Dan. And a couple of things, just like any other startup, we're always improving our onboarding experience. So most recently, we launched the freemium model, and the freemium model was intentionally launched for customers that want to try out our product and get a sense of what Vyrill does for them. So essentially, with freemium model, and by the way, we'll send you the link to, so you'll also be able to sign up very quickly with for your brand or whatever you're interested in testing on the Vyrill platform. So with freemium, you as a brand marketeer can sign up with an email address. Literally takes a minute to set up to create an account with us, and then you can add a product or a hashtag, and we will aggregate and index up to 50 videos for you for the freemium model, so you can test out our platform. And within 24 hours after we add the videos, we deliver all the insights on those videos as well. So within 24 hours, you'll be able to see all the analysis of the video, whether people were making reviews or unboxing or what demographic it was. So it gives you a quick flavor of the Vyrill platform on what Vyrill can do for you. And again, we understand that sometimes, we found that many brand marketers were actually surprised. They didn't know that we could do sentiment or we could analyze all the people in the videos. So the freemium model actually gives you a mechanism to try out our Vyrill platform. And of course, is it perfect? Can we do a better job at the onboarding process? Absolutely. So we're actually adding, again, we're a video company. So we're adding a couple of videos as well to improve and enhance the onboarding process. But trust me, it's very easy and very simple to start tracking all your videos and all your content with Vyrill. We made it very easy. And of course, we're continuing to improve on that.
So, and are there there's another couple questions, Sarah. So what do you forecast is going to be video? What is that? What do you forecast is going to be video forecast after COVID? Does that make sense?
Video forecast after COVID. I think video is here to stay. Honestly, Amazon. So I don't know if you're aware of this, but Amazon has already captured 250 million video reviews and more on their platform. So we believe that the future of commerce is video. It will start with a video and it will end with a video. We will begin to see video everywhere, including when you start typing this in the search bar on Amazon or on other platforms. When you start typing the product name, we will start seeing videos pop up there. We'll start seeing videos pop up on reviews, on the review page, on the product page. We're already seeing, clearly, TikTok was a big winner in 2020 with video, and we're seeing more and more platforms that are very video centric. So if you haven't heard of Triller, it's another platform that's up and coming here in the United States. That's essentially a copy or similar to TikTok. In India, you have Josh, which is a replica of the TikTok app. We're seeing a lot of video consumption and creation. So in my opinion, it's here to stay. It's going to grow. If anything, most customers will actually see their shopping journey begin with a video at both on search or on a product page. And we also believe it will end with a video as well, meaning after the purchase is made, brands will be able to reach out to creators or to their customers and shoppers to capture a video review or an unboxing video or how to video for them after the purchase is made, and then license and loop that video back into the shopping journey to influence more shopping purchases and conversions. So video is already up 600%. I don't see, if you're asking me whether it's going to go down, I don't believe so. It's already, TikTok and these companies have already changed behaviors. We're now seeing on average consumer, this is not just Gen Zs and millennials, we're seeing they're spending about 33 minutes now on some of these apps like TikTok, just browsing, scrolling through video content.
Yeah.
And then
let's take one last question before we wrap up.
Sure.
So it's Dan writes, can the computer vision identify product logos to collect videos that weren't actually tagged by the creator? And you mentioned music. Can Vyrill find videos that were uploaded with music that might have copyright protections?
Yeah, so very, very good, excellent questions. So can the computer vision, can we do it? Yes. Can we identify logos? Yes. So we do object and logo recognition. But what we found is, because we focus a lot on products, in a lot of videos, the logos are not necessarily identifiable in the video because sometimes the product is in a very small place. So we don't focus as much on logo right now, because as in general, we found that there's not a need for that, for us to match videos to products and brands. But to answer your question, can we do it? Yes, we can absolutely do it. We can absolutely do it. If a brand is requesting just purely logo recognition, we can do that. Yes, the answer is yes, we can do that. But it's not a need. With what we're doing right now, finding reviews and stuff, we don't start with logo detection. We start with text, then we look at audio, and then we look at images. So the matching algorithm is also optimized for cost as well and speed, because text is the fastest. And every time we're looking at accuracies when we do the matching as well, to see how accurate matching we can do with text versus audio versus images. And then the other question was, you mentioned music. Can Vyrill find videos that were uploaded with music? So yes, so currently we can identify whether there's music. If you're asking us, are we matching the music to a music catalog? We're not doing that yet, but that's something that can be done in future. But we do identify that there's music in the video, yes. And in terms of copyright violation, yeah, absolutely, Dan. David, that would be cool at some point to do that. And honestly, like, as you can imagine, like, we already have done a lot. I mean, I think just these 8 dimensions are very powerful, and of course, we'll continue to build on that. And then also just a quick note on copyright. YouTube also does a scan on music as well in the video. So there's already a first strike that they do, the YouTube does. And YouTube will pull videos out as well. So there's also other defenses as well for us right now to see whether a copyrighted music video is being used or not, or are they using a copyrighted music or unlicensed or licensed music in the video or not. So YouTube and TikTok is already doing that first strike before it gets to us.
Well, thank you. We're just going to wrap up here. I want to thank everyone that's on this call with us today and who asked questions. I appreciate that you're all here. And as many of you may know, that we have our refunder campaign closing tomorrow. And if you, and actually there are several investors that are on this call with us. So we want to thank you for being here and supporting Vyrill. And if you know others that you want to spread the word to and get them in on the ground level here, we really appreciate that. On our refunder, or a private investment. So reach out to Ajay, like us, follow us on LinkedIn, connect with Ajay. He will always answer questions directly with you and myself as well. And we appreciate you being here. And we'll be in touch to follow up with
we'll also
the
be
deck.
sending out the deck and everything. So we'll send you the deck. We'll also send you the link to the freemium as well. So if you're interested in trying out the product, you're welcome to sign up as well. So we'll share all this information with all the attendees in the next 24 to 48 hours. So thank you so much. And I put my email address as well in the box as well. Please feel free to reach out with any other further questions or comments you might have. Ajay at...
I got it.
Yeah.
I sent it. Yeah.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
So, okay. Well, thanks everyone. Have a good rest of your day and afternoon and weekend. And we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye. Thanks, Tasha.
Bye-bye.
Bye.